Screens attached, keeping it cordless. She keep calling, but I keep ignoring it. Ain't no stopping, I'm keeping it for it. Man, these niggas can't stop me, I'm going it. Man, these niggas can't stop me, I'm going it.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a tutorial on my eyebrows, which I already done them. I forgot to do my intro. So this is how my eyebrows turned out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Today I will be doing a tutorial on my eyebrows, showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. So yes, do me a little quick. I'm not gonna do a full face beat. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows today. So yes, I will be back in a minute, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is how I do my eyebrows. I use a pencil and a brush. Pencil, brush. I take my brush, I comb my eyebrows out. Make sure they good and straight. I take my pencil and I don't start right here because my eyebrows are already thick and dark. So I start like almost at the tip, like in the middle part, and just work my way. Shape it how I want to shape it. Because I don't have an arch. My eyebrows is just straight. So I make my own arch. So I take my pencil and I just stroke it up, see? See how it's coming together compared to this one? Look at that one. So I just keep taking my pencil and give it the shape that I want. And I mainly just put it right along here. See? Because my eyebrows are already thick. And if I go out of line, my concealer will clean it up. So once I put my concealer on, then you won't be able to see that the part that I just messed up on. Now brush it up, brush it over. So now I'm gonna go over to my other eyebrow and I'm gonna start in the same spot. See how it's coming together? So that's basically all I do to my eyebrows with the pencil. I don't know if y'all can see that good or not. Take my pencil and then I just draw how I want to draw it. You can break it down however far you want it to go out. My next step, I take my concealer. I use the LA Pro. The Toffee, I believe this is what it is. Yeah. Take my concealer. I don't know what my dog is in there barking at or who she barking at. She needs to be quiet. Oh, see my. So I can't find my other pencil that I normally use to put my concealer in with. Just gonna use this brush. Like this, put my concealer on here, and I clean it up with. Wait now. See something. See how it's coming together when I put my concealer on? Oh my God. I wonder what is she in there barking at? Okay. take my sponge and then I try to blend the concealer in a little. Yeah. So that is how I do my eyebrows. I don't know if everybody use a pencil or they use that, what is it? The powder stuff. I haven't tried that yet, but I want to try it to see if I'm gonna like it better than I like the pencil. But here is my eyebrows, guys. Yes. So, with that being said, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how I did with my eyebrows. Let me know what you guys use when you're doing your eyebrows. I would like to know. Any tips would help me out. Because I don't do makeup. I only do my makeup. And I do enough to satisfy me, pleases me. And I like how I do my own makeup. But I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a simple plain girl. But yeah, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys use. Let me know your thoughts about my eyebrows, if I did a good job or if I need to continue to work. I know I need to continue to work, but let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And I really appreciate you guys who have already subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you guys. So, with that being said, I'm about to come to the end of this video. And let's get this video to, what, 100 likes? I don't know. 100 likes, 20 likes, 30 likes. I'm fine with whatever likes. But let me know what you guys think about this this video with my eyebrows. And I will get back with you in the next video.